Good morning, children. Today we discuss about the another two stanza of the poem The Shed. So, stanza number 3. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. So here poet says that his brother said to him there is a ghost or devil in the shed. So the ghost is hides under the rotten floorboards. So here rotten floorboards means decaying floor of wood. Okay, so rotten means decaying. So when you keep the apple in outside, so it is decaying or rotten. So that is the same way the floorboards means the floor are made of from wooden, so it is become rotten. So the ghost is hides under the rotten floorboards. He said that. Next, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. So every time poet brother said to poet, there is a ghost in the shed, there is a ghost in the shed. So there is a ghost in the shed, then suddenly he jump out and then chop off my head. It means when poet went to the shed, his brother was said to him every time there is a ghost in the shed, so please don't open the door of the shed and then don't go there. So he was suddenly said that and then jump out and then his poet's head. So here my means poet's head. So when you cut the vegetables suddenly, so same as poet turn like a chop off his head from the shed. So but I will take a peek one day. But I will take a peek one day. So here the poet says definitely he look what is there inside the shed. So he describe his wants to search what inside in the shed. Next, I know that there is not really a ghost. I know that there is not a really a ghost. My brother tell lies to keep the shed for his den. So here the poet says himself he already understand that there is no ghost in the shed. His brother tell him lies because, so what his brother tell him lie? Why his brother tell him to lie there is a ghost in the shed? Because he wants to keep his private things in the shed. So poet's brother wants to keep his private things in the shed, so he wants to tell lie there is a ghost in the shed. So his brother not let him to go inside the shed. So his brother main intention is poet's his brother not let him to go inside the shed because he used the shed for keep the private things. So again he said there is no sound of strange voice and sound from the shed. So he again said there is not anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web since I don't know when I will go into the shed in that shed one day soon. So again he said there is no sound of strange voice and strange sound from the shed, and also he definitely says that there is no anybody look at him when he went near to the shed. So he also said that the spider also has been gone from the web. So in the first part we said that there is a spider web hanging across the door. So now he himself thinks that there is spider also has been gone from the web, so he wants to go inside the shed. So but he, when it gone he don't know the spider, when it gone he don't know, but one day he go inside the shed as soon as possible. So this is your poem. So here the poet wants to express his own intention to go inside the shed and know that what the things are inside in the shed. So his brother fears him, like there is a ghost in the shed, there is a ghost in the shed, but he know that there is nothing in the shed. So he wants to, one day he wants to open the door and then search what the things are in the shed. Okay, thank you children.